Hello everyone, this is Eric Genis, and I just want to remind you of my upcoming tour. It starts in 2 days, October 3rd, 2013. And we'll be starting off in Chicago, Illinois, and then we move through to Peoria and Rockford, Illinois, and then through Wisconsin, and then Minnesota, then Alabama, then Louisiana, and then Texas. It's going to be a great tour. It's for the whole family. Please bring the children. We have great soloists, but in addition to that, there's a lot of humor and a lot of fun. And when there's a lot of children, we do special things for them. We play in a lot of places, a lot of variety of venues. We play everything from big concert halls to maximum security prisons, to schools, to drug rehab centers. Everywhere where there's an audience, it is an honor to play and to share the music. I feel very honored to compose this music and to share my music with you as the audience. I just feel really grateful to do this. In addition to that, ladies and gentlemen, music is always meant to inspire and to bring hope and to bring goodness. And it is, again, my honor to share this with you. I want to invite you to visit my website. All the details are there. There's public concerts in a lot of cities along those states that I mentioned. My website is ericgenis.com, EricGenuis.com. My email is eric@ericgenis.com, and my phone number is 502-303-7744. I invite you to come, and I also invite you to invite other people, family or friends in those areas to come and to help spread the word. I have a lot of promotional things on YouTube, promotional clips on YouTube, and if you need me to send you more promotional clips, just either email me or call me, and I'm very happy to do so. Plato once said, music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe and wings to the mind and flight to the imagination and a charm and a gaiety to life and to everything. Let's use music. Let's use beauty to really raise and elevate the human spirit, the human soul, and the human heart. Let's bring joy and bring hope. I invite you to come. Let your children make as much noise as they feel they need to make. I wish you all the best. I hope to see you there. Bye.